So Debbie, you're here today. How many weeks after we did the amniotic injections? 3 weeks. And you came 3 weeks ago with your husband, and you actually went to the emergency room, right?
Yes, my feet were just so painful, and I just really was uncomfortable.
Mm-hmm.
I could not walk very long, and I just really reached out to the doctor.
And you went to the emergency room, and they gave you like gabapentin, and they
Yes,
gave you
and
like Lyrica, right?
They gave me a diagnosis of diabetic neuropathy.
Okay. So when you came to see me, like really a couple of days later, you said that you even like couldn't do things you enjoyed doing on your trip because the pain was so severe, right?
I let everyone else do the walking and visiting, and I could hardly even go to restaurants.
Right. And we decided, since you already tried everything else, we decided to do amniotic injections in both of your posterior tibial nerves.
Yes, I agreed to that because I really didn't think anything else would solve, and the doctor was very proactive, and I was appreciative of that.
So did it help the pain?
Yes. Within a week or so, I felt a difference, but now I'm pain-free.
Mm-hmm. So would you recommend for people who suffer with neuropathy to do that?
Absolutely. It's my high recommendation
Good.
to see the doctor.
All right. Thank you.